can't tell if he, I'll just, what's going on with you guys? Look at that. You know what? You should go eat something else. I'm gonna let, no. Oh, that's it. Come here. Yay. Oh, it's okay. Look. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yay. Sorry. I had to see that cool little guy. I don't know if you're going to eat him anyways because he's orange. But now you could be my snake buddy for the day. No, I won't. I'll just carry him for a little bit. Oh, sorry, orange guy. Oh, okay, you can go. Oh, I want to hold them both. Hold on. Should I put the snake down? Okay. We'll say bye-bye to the snake so I can hold the other guy. You go over there. Now this guy's probably in love with me because I saved him, even though maybe he was saving himself by being all orange. Look at you.